Capture stunning aerial views, explore new perspectives, and upgrade your creativity with powerful flying technology designed for beginners and professionals alike. In this guide, best drones on Amazon are reviewed for performance, camera quality, battery life, and value today now. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K Drone. The DJI Mini 4K drone is designed for users who want professional-level performance in a lightweight and regulation-friendly package. Weighing under 249 grams, it eliminates the need for FAA registration for recreational use, making it ideal for beginners and travelers who want hassle-free flying. Despite its compact size, this drone delivers impressive 4K Ultra HD video supported by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, ensuring smooth, cinematic footage even during movement or windy conditions. Whether you're capturing landscapes, sunsets, or cityscapes, the clarity and stability remain consistent and reliable. One of its standout features is the strong wind resistance, rated up to level 5, supported by efficient brushless motors. This allows stable flights even in challenging environments and enables operation at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. The drone also offers an impressive maximum HD video transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, giving pilots freedom to explore wide areas while maintaining a clear live feed. Number 2. DJI Neo Drone. The DJI Neo Drone is a highly portable and user-friendly option designed for casual creators and everyday users. Weighing just 135 grams, it is lighter than most smartphones and requires no FAA registration, making it perfect for spontaneous travel and outdoor activities. Its compact size allows it to fit easily in a backpack or pocket, encouraging users to carry it wherever they go. This convenience makes the Neo especially appealing for vloggers, hikers, and family users. One of its most impressive features is palm takeoff and landing, allowing the drone to launch directly from your hand with the push of a button. This controller-free operation simplifies flying and makes it accessible for beginners. The subject tracking and quick shots modes further enhance usability by automatically following the user and creating professional-style clips. With 8 creative shooting modes, users can produce dynamic content without advanced piloting skills. The DJI Neo also supports multiple control methods, including voice commands, mobile app operation, and optional remote controller use. Number 3. Potensic Atom S Drone. The Potensic Atom S Drone offers an excellent balance between affordability, performance, and reliability. Weighing under 249 grams, it avoids registration requirements while remaining sturdy enough for stable outdoor flights. Its foldable design enhances portability, allowing users to carry it in a jacket pocket or small bag. Combined with brushless motors and level 5 wind resistance, the drone maintains smooth operation even in less than ideal weather conditions. A key strength of the Atom S is its 4K EIS camera powered by a Sony CMOS sensor. This setup enables sharp 12MP photos and 4K video at 30 frames per second, delivering impressive image quality for its class. The shake-vanish stabilization technology minimizes vibration and blur, while the wide field of view and adjustable camera angles allow for creative framing. These features make it suitable for landscape photography, travel videos, and social media content. For beginners, the Surgefly flight control system is a major advantage. Number 4. TOPBLASTERBOX 4.5-inch drone. The TOPBLASTERBOX 4.5-inch drone is designed with beginners and content creators in mind, offering a combination of ease of use and advanced features. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera and a 90-degree adjustable lens, it captures high-resolution photos and videos with impressive clarity. The inclusion of an SD card adds convenience, allowing users to store footage immediately without additional purchases. One of the most distinctive features of this drone is the built-in HD screen on the controller. This integrated display enables real-time FPV viewing without relying on a smartphone, eliminating connection delays and improving reliability. Users can preview photos and videos instantly, making it easier to frame shots and monitor flight performance. This feature is especially useful for beginners who prefer a simplified setup. Safety and stability are enhanced through GPS positioning and automatic return-to-home functionality. Number 5. UFLYTOO LA 4K Drone. The UFLYTOO LA 4K drone is built for users who value simplicity, durability, and extended flight performance. One of its most notable features is the integrated screen on the controller, which allows real-time video transmission without requiring a smartphone. This design reduces setup time and ensures a stable viewing experience, making it especially convenient for beginners and casual users. The drone delivers reliable flight performance powered by brushless motors, which provides strong stability and resistance to wind. These motors enhance durability and reduce maintenance needs, ensuring consistent operation over time. With 2 intelligent batteries included, the drone offers up to 45 minutes of total flight time, allowing longer filming sessions and fewer interruptions. This makes it suitable for travel, outdoor adventures, and recreational flying. In terms of usability, the UFLYTOO LA focuses on straightforward controls and beginner-friendly operation. Thanks for watching and exploring the top drone choices available today. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect balance of performance, quality, and value. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews, helpful tips, and future tech updates.